Welcome to Web app. I'm Ivan, and today I'm gonna walk you through how to install Power BI on your desktop. Power BI is a fantastic tool for data visualization, and together with our Web app, it can create great dashboards for integrating all of your data in one convenient place. So let's start. First, we have to go to our browser and search for Power BI. Click on the Power BI page. Next, go to Products. This will bring up a range of different products. Today we want Power BI Desktop, so we click on that. Now we can choose a different language if we want, but just so you know, it will change all of the content to the language that you actually choose. Now we want to click on Download Free, and this will open up the Microsoft Store. You can check the system requirements to make sure that it's compatible with your device. Microsoft is normally pretty good at telling you if it is or not, but it's best to check that you have the right operating system in place and memory, etc. Next, we click on Get or Install, and now Power BI will start to download on your desktop. This may take a little while depending on your system and your connection. Once it's downloaded, we can click on Open. Now you have access to Power BI and the wonderful world of data visualization. Together with Web app, it can help you build smart dashboards for all of your BIM data. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing for more content like this. And why not head over to our channel to see how Web app can help you take your data analysis to the next level. And if you've missed some of the more critical steps, like linking a dashboard, etc., check out one of these videos up here. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.